What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Breaking Now. We're doing our 3-card Toronto Maple Leafs Raz. There's going to be 3 winners, top 3 names after 4, taking home your choice of cards. Live, good luck. Here is your time. Just turning 3:49 in Newfoundland. And here's your list of people. Stephen to Charles. Good luck, folks. 1, 2, 3. So you're looking to be in the top 3 for sure to get a win. Top 3, timestamp 3:49. 3:49. Last and final, top 3 are winners, and we have Steven and Jarvis, 6 and 9. So Steven spot 8 and Jarvis with 6 and 9. Congratulations, fellas. Spot 8, 6, and 9 are the ones that done it. So here's your timestamp on the 4th and final. 4th and final is 3:49. And 3:49 it is. So congratulations again, Steven and Jarvis. I'll tag you soon to make your picks, and we'll get your cards out to you one day. Thanks, folks.